Hello friends, we're in Leipzig, the city of Bach, Wagner, Nietzsche, but we're here not for the tour. We came here on a special mission to show you something you have been waiting for. The production line of Daily Delicious Beauty Shakes. Here we are, and it is time to go inside. Anona is a company with a long history. Everything started with a mill. From 1826 to 1945, it was the #1 flour mill on the river Mulde. Subsequently, the company's activities changed significantly. We started to produce new products, and now for over 25 years we have been developing and producing sport nutrition and food supplements. We pay very close attention to quality. For many years we're certified according to IFS and GMP standards. We carefully check every component before using it in production. We are eager to create new and interesting products together with you in the near future. We have already started working on several different projects, and we look forward to further cooperation with Coral Club. Friends, we're in Anona's Holy of Holies. It is the place where new flavors are created. Let's have a look inside. The development of high-quality protein products requires serious preparation. We use only the best raw materials and conduct series of experiments in order to create a unique recipe. There is a large variety of natural flavors stored in our warehouse. Many of those flavors we know and have been using for a long time. Taste, color, and aroma of the product play a very important role. We achieve the best results only when all of the components are properly balanced with each other. Now we are working on a new flavor, a combination of orange and mango. The new product is almost ready, and very soon it will be presented to the public. It was very challenging to mix these ingredients with milk. A lot of effort went into finding a way to create a product with a great taste. In my opinion, we achieved our goal, and we are confident the product will be successful. I'm very happy when after numerous attempts and hard work, we achieve the desired result. It motivates and inspires. We are in the facility where the ingredients are blended together. Here are two mixers, vertical, which is used for delicate mixing of ingredients, and a horizontal one. There are 4 blades inside, which rotate at 2000 RPM each. Right now, there are 2 tons of Daily Delicious cocktail being prepared inside, and that makes 80,000 portions. However, before going to the mixer, all of the ingredients are thoroughly tested and measured in order to ensure that every portion of Daily Delicious will be well balanced. Only then it is sent for mixing. We are in the part of the facility where large bags full of finished products are waiting for their turn to be packaged, which happens 1 floor below us. The aroma is amazing. The finished mix goes through the conveyor. At this point, the shape, size, and design of the labels in various languages are already selected and approved for each production batch. Specialized equipment packages, hermetically seals, and again, carefully weighs the product. After this, the product is moved to the shipping area, from which it will travel to its country of destination. So begins the journey of Daily Delicious. From the best European manufacturers of healthy food to thousands of people throughout the world. All this is done so that your day can begin with a boost of beauty, vitality and health.